Alright boys, I just came from the gym. I just got a great shower, and today I want to show you the 7 steps that every dude should be doing for their shower routine. Every masculine dude, if you want a proper hygienic shower, these are the 7 things you need to be doing. The first thing, first and foremost, I start trimming up. So I'll grab my Manscaped trimmer I always have in the shower. It's waterproof, and I'll trim up everything I need, my chest, my stomach, and any private area I want to knock down. The one thing I like about this is that it keeps it clean and hygienic. So you do everything in the shower, and that way you're able to just wash off everything. And if you maintain it daily or every 2 to 3 days, the bulk will never be as messy as if when you let it grow out for weeks. So doing this every other day or every 3 days makes it easier and more manageable. Which rolls us on to number 2. I like to start from the top and work my way down, which means it's my shampoo. So this is our new Heat Grooming shampoo that I like to use. As you can see, I have all my 3 set up there, which is the only shower set you need: shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. But when you buy a shampoo, whatever shampoo you end up buying, make sure it's a hydrating one. So I only shampoo once every other day or once every 3 days, depending on how hard I've been going to the gym. But usually once every other day. This is on purpose because you don't want to over shampoo your hair because it's going to overly strip it out, make it dry and harder to manage. So the one thing I like about our Heat Grooming is that it's infused with hydrating nutrients like tea tree oil and also thickening ingredients like biotin. So every time you use it, even just the shampoo, you are not overly stripping out your hair and instead just cleaning out the surface, cleaning out that dirt and that sweat buildup, but leaving the essential oils that you need so your hair's not overly dried out. Like I said, boys, I live with this stuff. I've been using this for months now and testing it before we dropped it out for Heat Grooming. And when you use it in combination with our second step, which is our conditioner, forget about it. Your hair is going to be on a different level. After using our conditioner just once, your hair is going to feel ridiculously smooth. This is step 3. Always condition, like every single day. Even the days that you don't shampoo, I still want you to condition your hair. It's called a soft wash. So even though you're not shampooing with a conditioner, you can gently wash that sweat or any stink out of your hair while also keeping it hydrating and rehydrating it with conditioner. So this is also infused with biotin. So when you use the Killer Duo, forget about it. Your hair ends up clean, it ends up soft, and it ends up smelling insanely good. See, all our ingredients, especially our 3-piece shower set, is infused with high-end oils from our fragrance house that we use for Santa Lucia. Now keep in mind, this fragrance house produces just luxury scents. So we bought oils from them, infused our products. So when you use our stuff, look at our reviews, this stuff smells like a high-end perfume. So that was the goal. So every time you showered, not only did it enhance your user experience, every time you stepped out, you just smelled delicious, bro. So this killer combo, if I were you, I'd check it out. I'll have the link down below so you can buy them separately, or you can buy the whole kit: shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. If you buy all 3, you save 15% off, and we give you free shipping and free returns if you're in the US. So if you guys want to check them out, they're going to be linked down below. This rolls us on to the step number 4, and we move on to our face scrub. So here I'll grab my silicone face scrubber. I'll put my favorite facial cleanser, so I keep both of those in my shower as well. Keeps it easier and efficient. And I'll do that after I've rinsed out the conditioner and shampoo from my hair. This is strategic so none of those ingredients fall on my face and end up staying on my face. See, some of those ingredients can be too harsh for your face and can be causing breakouts. So once you rinse all that stuff out of your hair, again, we're working our way down. We'll work on the cleanser to remove those ingredients and any dirt, oil, and dead skin buildup. And the facial scrubber is great to really cleanse out those pores and scrub down the skin gently so it ends up soft, smooth. So we rinse that off, and now we move on to step number 5, which is the body wash. Again, this is crucial, boys. But make sure whatever body wash you use actually smells great. I don't want you to be walking out here smelling like Axe. Usually at the body wash stage, this is where you're not only cleansing, but if you get a good one that smells great, it's like a 2-in-1 where if you forget to wear a fragrance, at least you'll smell good the rest of the day. When you're here, this rolls on to number 6. Make sure you scrub down trouble areas, the problematic areas for men. Do not just let the soapy water wash you. See, at minimum, you should be washing down your private parts, which are your problem areas. This is your armpits, your crotch, and your butt crack. These areas need to be scrubbed down, not just rinsed every single time. This is just to keep a basic level of maintenance, which is insane that most guys aren't even doing. So you just doing this especially with a good smelling body wash like ours from Heat, bro, you're gonna knock her out the ballpark. Like, she ain't gonna be expecting that ace. And finally, number 7, now you can rinse it all off. You rinse it all off. This entire shower routine, it took me a while to explain, but it should take you no more than 5 minutes, and you're gonna step out the shower every single time fresh, hygienic, and probably cleaner than like 99% of other dudes. Boys, that's the 7-step masculine shower every dude should be doing. That's it for your boy. See you next time.